Hello guys, this is Hunter Stewart from Hunter Stewart Hobbies. This morning we are at Bronte Street in Milton, Ontario, where the CN Halton sub is and where the CPKC Galt sub is. Before we get in this video, why don't you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn notification bells on, and let's see if we can get any CN or CPKC trains in this video. Here comes the next scene, roll it. Alright, we got a CN eastbound train coming down the line. The time is now 4:21 a.m. Looks like the weather's finally looks like the weather is going up. The temperature's gone up a little bit, so that's good. At least it's not an igloo anymore. It feels a little bit like an igloo, but it's not as bad as it was before. Here comes an eastbound. Okay, what do we got for power on this dude? Only one engine, that's weird. So we got 3847 in the lead. I know this guy, NGFen caught this train already. So, symbol on this train is CN-M394. My buddy from some guy NGFen caught this train in Charlotte, Michigan around 6:15 p.m. in his area, and it's now 20 after 4 in the morning. Oh, hotbox.
No alarms. Temperature -8. C. Total axle 592.
592 axles, and it's 8 degrees minus outside. So I was saying NGFen caught this train around 1800 in his area, and it's now the 400 hour. It's the 4 o'clock hour. Oh, something on CPKC. What's that? Maybe it's a beep or something. Anyways, this train is CN-M394. This train originates from the Kirkyard in Gary, Indiana, terminates at the McMillan Yard where it's going, all on this January 16th, 2025 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. I bet my buddy NGFen caught this train around the evening, and now it took like at least a good 10 hours to get here. From Charlotte, Michigan to here, it took 10 hours. It took at least a 10-hour train ride to get from Charlotte, Michigan to here. I mean, it probably had some crew changes up in the border, like Port Huron-Sarnia area. But God knows how long he was out there for. Anyways. I hope we get some more trains this morning. Here's the roar. I think there's a DPU coming ahead. There actually could be a DPU coming ahead. I see it. Here it is. Here's a DPU, it's another CN unit, but no form power, oh well. We got CN 3867. DPU alright! We got a CN train already. That's great news. I got my first CN train today, but we need a CPKC train at least. I know 135 should be coming in the next hour or two. I don't know if 133 has already gone through yet. He might have been early or late. God knows where he is. And 134 can run early around this time before, but he usually is around 8 o'clock in the morning, usually, up here. Or almost 9 o'clock in the morning around that time. Well, hopefully we get at least one CPKC train in at my timing when I'm here. At least we got one CN train this morning. At least I got a CN train, but I want to see if we can get a CPKC train after this. I'm gonna ask my dad to go check the lights up on the Galt sub, at mile 32. Galt sub, right where the westbound signal is. Like the lights are all red for eastbound CPKC trains. The CPKC eastbound lights are all red, so there's nothing going east right now on that line for right now. I'm gonna go get Dad to go check the lights, and if there's nothing else coming after this, this will be our only train in this video. Alright, here comes the next scene roll. Let's see if there's any more trains coming. If not, this will be our only train in this video. On to the next scene. Roll it. Alright, we got a CPKC westbound train coming down the line. Great news. We got, this train's going to be meeting 734 up in Puzzlinch area. So what's this train going to be? The time is now 5:14 a.m. We got 9805 in the lead. KCS 4885. Okay. It's snowing outside. Hey, I think I know what this train's gotta be. Symboled on this train is actually CPKC 231, I think, because of the foil cars and all its cars. I don't know, because I see auto wraps and all that shit. I don't know if this is 231. I'm not 100% sure if it is or not. At first I thought, was this 135 or not? It's definitely not it. Could be 231 or 135. God knows what it will be. All on this January. 16th, 2025 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. Looks like we're gonna have a marathon of trains right now. As I can see, because we also have an eastbound clearance for CN now, so that's great news. We're also going to have a lot of auto racks. I don't know if this is 231 or 135. I'm not sure. If there's any intermodal, there will be 135 if it's at the back. Yeah, someone has to write on the chat and tell me what ID this guy is. It could be 135 or 231. God knows what it'll be. I haven't really confirmed the symbol ID yet. Could be 135 or 231. God knows what it'll be. Yeah? I don't see intermodal, and there was intermodal in there. There was some coil cars that I know. This is 231, I think. Starts off in Montreal, heads to Bensonville. Okay, here comes the next scene. Roll it. Hold it. Now don't click away because we got a couple more trains to come in this video. We always do on Hunter Stewart Hobbies. Because you guys ain't seen nothing yet. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. Alright, we got a CN eastbound train coming down the line. The time is now 6:03 a.m. Oh god, it's such a freaking igloo outside. I'm trying to warm up until this guy came by. Okay. What's the power for this eastbound today? He's going like a turtle's pace. How many units? Only one unit. 3809. This might be 302 because we already caught a 394. Oh, or is this, or maybe there's only one unit. How could that be one unit? And there's some freaking American Iron Metal cars. Well, this might be an extra run of some sort of train. This might be an extra run of some train of some sort. I think this might be extra run of CN M382. That's my ultimate guess. This might be X382 we're catching. That's my ultimate guess what this guy could be. First of all, I didn't see CNA 421 through here yet. I didn't see 421 go through here yet, so he's late. 421's running late today. I don't know why, because all these eastbounds going through. I didn't see 421 yet, so maybe he will be here in around this hour too. Also, there is a 734 probably leaving Wolverton. It's heading this way. It might have some BNSF foreign power. You never know. That's why I'm going to try to stay out for that one too. Is it ever this cold, You know what? I'm going to actually go to I'm not gonna bother with saying 421 here. I don't know, because my dad's needs to get his sleep at least, but he only had 3 hours of sleep, so I got here just around 4 o'clock this morning, and I've been here for 2 hours already. Got 3 trains, so that's good. I don't know, because there's a 734. I'm not gonna miss that one as well. I'm not missing 734 today because he's got something. He might have something great today. Because you never know what that train will have. Look at all those look at all those empty lumber cars. This might be some kind of extra run of some sort of train. This train may be an extra symbol. I think this might be X382. If this is X382, this came out of Toledo, Ohio, which and it's heading towards Mackyard, where it's going. All on this January 16th, 2025 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. Because of all those empty center beams, this might be an extra run of some sort of train. This might be an extra run. This might be one extra run. There's only one unit. I bet this train has no DPU. This might be a short train, so it could be ending off any minute now. The train could be ending any second now. We're almost to the end, I believe. First, I thought we already got 394, and I don't know what this train is, because if there was one unit, I thought this was a Winnipeg train from that detours the Chicago line to here. So I thought that train would have been, but this is X382 I'm catching. The extra run of 382. That's my alternate guess. I tend to think this is an extra run. And the lights for CP eastbound lights hasn't got cleared for 734 yet, so I'm gonna. If I go to Main Street, I'm not gonna risk it. I'm not trying to risk it. Why risk it? Why do I risk it? Why do I have to risk it? If I want to go to the Guelph Junction, why risk it? Why should I risk it? I'm not going to risk it. I don't know what 734 has, but I don't know if I'll stay out for him because my dad has to sleep, go back to bed and sleep. I'm not sure. This is one hell of a long train being for one unit. I thought there would be a pusher, that's why I ended my short. I mean, I always end my short whether there's a DPU or not, but I don't like wasting the battery on my cell phone. It's an old phone. I like to do other stuff. With there being one unit, it might be an extra run. If there's more than one unit, that will be a regular run. Okay, this is 382 for sure, but it's an extra run of 382. That's my ultimate guess. And I see the end right now. If I go to... Oh. If I go to Guelph Junction, why risk it? Alright, let's see if there's any more trains coming. If not, this will wrap it up and end it. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. Okay, we got a green light for a CPKC eastbound train just over here. You can see the lights are green. I can't see from here. We have a green light at least. And by the way, we risked it and we took the chance and we didn't miss it at all. So here comes the next scene roll. We just relocated all the way to Guelph Junction in Campbellville, Ontario. Here comes the next scene roll it. Well, you look at that. We have a yellow light for a westbound to come. Here comes the next scene roll it. This might be 135 that's coming. Here comes the next scene roll it. Okay. I think we got a eastbound coming down the line. I hear it's... Listen to that horn going through Millboro line. And we also have a yellow light for another westbound CPKC train, so I'll stick around for that too. Oh my god, it's such an igloo out here. Oh, God. Oh. Here he comes. Here comes a eastbound. Here he comes. Time is now 6:41 a.m. Okay. Oh God! 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 It's ever this cold. Okay. Pull out my phone. Okay. Here he comes. Let's see what he's got for power. Here he comes. Here's the lights are shining. Here he comes. There we go. It's fully charged. Okay. Here comes nothing. What do we got for power on this dude? Oh my God. We got 1 unit. We have 3316. Oh, it's a CSX unit. Awesome. Symbol on this train is CPKC 734. This train originates from the Gibson Yard in the IHB Gibson Yard in Hammond, Indiana. Terminates at the Aging Courtyard in Toronto, Ontario, where it's going. All on this January 16th, 2025 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. Okay. Let's see if we can see for 135. If not, this will wrap it up and end it. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. All right, I hear a horn. Don't know which way it's going. It could be a 132 coming up the hill, waiting for 135 to come. I hear it too. What's going on? I have to see what's coming by. Oh, some light over here. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Some kind of train coming up the hill. Wonder what that would be. Oh, what's that leading right there? Holy shit. We got a CSX leader and a CPKC trailing second. Holy crap. We got CSX 823 and CPKC 8128. Awesome. That's a bonus right there. Coming to a stop because 135 has to go through. Nice. Oh, great. Now I'm getting blocked. Now my shot's going to be blocked. I hope it's not a big train. That was unexpected. Awesome. I'm going to have to get out of here. It's gonna have to wait for this 135 to go through before this symbol on this train here is CPKC 132. He just came out of fucking nowhere. The 132 originates from the Chiller Park, Illinois, and it's heading towards Montreal, Quebec. Well, that was this guy came out of fucking nowhere. All on this January 16th, 2025 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. But this guy came out of nowhere. This guy came out of freaking nowhere. This guy came out of nowhere. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna get in the car and freezing my knuckles off. I wonder if we're gonna get a meet. That'd be really cool. This guy came out of freaking nowhere. Wow. That's a bonus train I just got.
Calgary snagged 2 keywords, most submissive.
Wow.
Biggest asset, so they're kind of hinty. They don't really tell you, but I'm guessing that's like a.
This guy came out of freaking nowhere.
Most submissive, I guess.
For the rodeo.
Yeah, so what's your
Here comes the next scene roll. He's stopping. As you can see, this train just came out of freaking nowhere. Now this is a bonus right there, what I just got. The 135 should be on the way. Too bad we can get. I don't think 133 is going to be coming in a little. I think this guy's got to get through, and then 133 is going to come there later. I don't think 133 came by yet. I don't think. Everything seems to be running late. I got a lot of CPKC action, some CN in the beginning, and then some CPKC trains. That's a bonus right there. That's 6. Now we're going to get 6 trains already. That's pretty good. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. All right, we got 135 coming down the line. We got 8617 in the lead. In KCS, 4689. So this might be the CPKC 135 that's heading westbound, while the CPKC 132 has been stopped because of this guy has to go through. Okay. So the first CPKC train was 231, and then I caught a CSX leader on 734 here, and then I caught another CSX leader with a CPKC paint job on 132, and then we got 135 right going through here, which is 132's pulled in here. So far, I caught 2 CN trains today and 4 CPKC trains. Now this guy's picking up speed. Now the 132 is going to start moving any second now. As soon as these trains go, then I'll wrap this video up because my dad has to work today.
Not to sign those things, and to let the watchdogs know that this is taking place.
Yeah, you're right. That's not uncommon because I've just never heard of it before. I've never, like, I'm not a big, we don't do, I've done a lot of, like, these kind of big resorts, all-inclusive and stuff like that, so I'm not as familiar. So it's a shocker to me, but I guess it is not that uncommon. It does not make for good customer relations. What's the message instead?
Now there's the intermodal right there.
Exactly.
Oh, we figured out. So Johnny sent a picture of something. He's like, "Look at this. It's huge. We didn't know what it was, but you figured it was."
Guacamole. It's this giant ball. Like, that's Johnny, right? He gets to the resort. I'm waiting. We're all saying, send pictures, send pictures. I'm thinking maybe palm trees, maybe I'll get beach, maybe I'll get
Wow. I don't know if this train's got a DPU. The one that stopped has one. There might be one. Symbol on that westbound train, CPKC 135. This train came out of the Agent Courtyard in Toronto, Ontario. It's heading towards Windsor, Detroit area. Now this guy here that's pulling out is CPKC 132 from Chilo Park, Illinois, heading to Montreal. All on this January 16th, 2025. On Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. So I'm going to film the rest of this train, and then I'm going to wrap this video up and end it and go home, Now 132 is on the move now, Now CPKC 132 is now on the move, while 135 had to get... They had to let 135 to go. That's why 132 had to stop, because 135 had to go through, This 132 is actually a bonus. This guy came out of freaking nowhere. This guy came out of freaking nowhere. Glad I got him just in time. Never know, this might have a DPO. Let's see. See what they have. Now it's picking up speed. We got a DPU coming. Oh shit. Here we go. KCS 4709. DPU all right. Now it's all bare tables now. Well, that was a great catch right there. I'm going to head out after this guy. This is going to be a long premiere for the next, for the Friday. I think it's going to be on the Thursday or Friday from this. This will be on the Friday, I believe, I think. This will be out on not this Friday, but the following Friday, I think. Lights all red, so we're good. Alright, this will wrap it up for today's video, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe, turn notification bells on. Leave comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Hunter Stewart Hobbies signing off. Peace out, everybody.